Have you ever wondered how to inspect a hotel room properly? It's not something most people think about when they're booking their accommodation, but it can make a significant difference in your overall travel experience. The importance of a hotel room inspection lies in three main areas: cleanliness, safety, and functionality. Each of these areas contributes to the quality of your stay and can greatly affect your comfort and satisfaction. Let's start with cleanliness. It's the first thing you notice when you walk into a room, and it sets the tone for your stay. A clean room not only provides a comfortable environment, but it also reflects the hotel's commitment to high standards and customer satisfaction. But cleanliness isn't just about appearances. It's also about health. A dirty room can be a breeding ground for bacteria and allergens, which can lead to illness and ruin your trip. Next, we have safety. When you're away from home, you want to feel safe and secure. A hotel room inspection can help you identify potential safety hazards, like faulty locks or fire hazards that could put you at risk. Inspecting the room's safety features also ensures you're prepared in case of an emergency. Lastly, we have functionality. Everything in your room should be in working order, from the lights and air conditioning to the shower and television. A thorough inspection can help you identify any issues early on, so they can be fixed before they become a problem. But a hotel room inspection isn't just about spotting problems. It's also about making the most of your stay. By familiarizing yourself with the room and its features, you can take full advantage of the amenities and services offered by the hotel. So, whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time guest, a hotel room inspection is a valuable tool in your travel toolkit. It's a simple step that can enhance your comfort, ensure your safety, and optimize your experience. Knowing how to inspect a hotel room can make all the difference in your traveling experience. So let's dive into the specifics of what to look for and how to conduct a thorough hotel room inspection. First impressions matter, even with hotel rooms. As you step over the threshold into your temporary abode, take a moment to absorb your surroundings. This initial overview is a crucial part of inspecting your hotel room, setting the groundwork for a more comprehensive assessment to follow. Immediately, your senses should be on high alert. Does the room appear clean and well-maintained, or does it look worn and neglected? The state of the room can often be a reflection of the hotel's overall cleanliness and commitment to quality. A clean room indicates a hotel that values its customers and takes pride in its service. On the other hand, a room that is less than sparkling clean may suggest a lack of attention to detail. In addition to the visual cues, pay attention to any smells that greet you. Is there a fresh scent in the air, or perhaps an unpleasant odor? The presence of any strong smells, whether it's a musty dampness, the lingering scent of smoke in a non-smoking room, or an overpowering use of air fresheners, can be a red flag. These odors can hint at underlying issues such as mold, poor ventilation, or attempts to mask other unpleasant smells. Next, take a quick scan for any obvious signs of damage or disrepair. Look for things like broken furniture, peeling wallpaper, or stained carpets. These are not just aesthetic concerns, but can also be indicative of the hotel's attitude towards maintenance and customer satisfaction. Remember, this initial overview is not about nitpicking every minor flaw. Rather, it's an opportunity to get a general feel for the room and identify any glaring issues that might need immediate attention. It's about ensuring that your stay is as comfortable and enjoyable as possible. The initial overview sets the stage for a more detailed inspection. It's like a sneak peek into what to expect during your stay. Don't rush through it. Take your time and trust your instincts. After all, the initial overview sets the tone for a more detailed inspection. The bathroom is a critical part of any hotel room. Now let's dive into the nitty-gritty of inspecting the bathroom. This space, often overlooked, can significantly impact the quality of your stay. It's here where the hotel's commitment to cleanliness and functionality truly shines. First things first, let's start with the shower. Turn it on and observe the water pressure. Is it up to your standard? After all, nobody likes a weak shower. Next, check the temperature range. Make sure that the hot water is indeed hot, but also that you can get a refreshing, cool shower if that's what you prefer. Don't forget to inspect the shower head and the drain. A clogged drain or a leaky shower head can really dampen your experience. And while you're at it, give the shower curtain or door a once-over for any signs of mold or mildew. Now, let's move on to the toilet. Flush it to ensure it works properly. The last thing you need is a malfunctioning toilet in the middle of the night. Look at the seat too. Is it clean? If not, it might be a sign that the entire room hasn't been thoroughly cleaned. Next stop, the sink. Turn the taps on and off, checking for any leaks. Take a moment to inspect the cleanliness of the sink bowl and the countertop. Look for any stray hairs or soap scum. Don't forget about the other amenities. Is there enough toilet paper? Are the towels clean and fluffy? And what about the toiletries? Are they sealed and of good quality? Remember, the bathroom is an essential part of your hotel room. It's a place where you refresh and recharge. It should be clean, functional, and inviting. Any signs of neglect or poor maintenance might indicate similar issues elsewhere in the hotel. So don't just give the bathroom a cursory glance. Take the time to inspect it thoroughly. Because let's face it, a hotel stay isn't just about the destination, it's about the journey. And a clean, functional bathroom can make that journey so much more enjoyable. A clean and functional bathroom is a must for any hotel stay. A good night's sleep is essential when you're traveling. This isn't just a saying, it's a mantra that holds a wealth of truth. And the secret to achieving that perfect slumber lies in the heart of your hotel room, the bedroom. When inspecting the bedroom, your primary focus should be the bed. It's the centerpiece, the star of the show, and it's going to be your best friend after a long day of exploring. Start by examining the linens. Are they clean and crisp? Do they smell fresh? If not, it's a clear sign that the housekeeping standards may not be up to par. Next, let's talk about pillows. Everyone has a preference. Some like them firm, some fluffy, while others prefer a flat one. Regardless, they should be clean, odor-free, and in good condition. A stained or lumpy pillow is a definite no-no. Now we need to talk about an unpleasant but necessary topic: pests, specifically bed bugs. These little critters are the uninvited guests that can turn your dream vacation into a nightmare. Look for tiny dark spots on the mattress or linens, which could be their droppings. Also, check for tiny blood spots, which could indicate their presence. If you see any signs of them, request a room change immediately. Lastly, don't forget to check under the bed. And yes, this isn't just an old childhood habit, it's a spot often overlooked during cleaning. So a quick peek can give you a good indication of the overall cleanliness of the room. Remember, the bedroom isn't just a place to sleep, it's your sanctuary. It's where you recharge, relax, and prepare for the next day's adventures. Therefore, it's vital that this space is comfortable, clean, and bug-free. So the next time you check into a hotel room, take a few moments to inspect the bedroom. It's a simple step, but it can make a world of difference to your travel experience. After all, the bedroom should be a haven of comfort and cleanliness. Safety should never be compromised. These words ring true, especially when it comes to hotel rooms. It's not just about the comfort and cleanliness. Your safety is paramount too. Let's dive into the key safety features you should check as soon as you step into your room. First, check the locks on the doors and windows. Are they sturdy and functional? Do they provide a sense of security? A properly functioning lock can make a world of difference when it comes to your peace of mind. Don't forget about the peephole too. It's your little window to the outside world, ensuring you know who's knocking before you decide to open that door. Next, turn your attention to smoke detectors. These little devices are crucial for your safety. Ensure they are in place and not tampered with. If something seems off, don't hesitate to alert the hotel management. Remember, a properly functioning smoke detector can be a lifesaver. In the unlikely event of a fire, you want to know your quickest escape route. So check for a fire escape map. It's usually located on the back of your room's door. Familiarize yourself with the layout and locate the nearest exit. It might seem like overthinking, but it's always better to be prepared. Lastly, consider the overall vibe of the room. Do you feel safe and secure? Your intuition can often be a good indicator of your surroundings. If something feels off, don't ignore it. Speak up, ask for a room change if need be. In the grand scheme of things, these safety checks might seem minuscule, but they are essential. They contribute to a peaceful and worry-free stay. After all, a hotel room is your home away from home. It should provide not only comfort and convenience, but also a sense of security. Remember, your safety isn't something to be taken lightly. It's not just about having a pleasant stay, it's about ensuring your well-being too. As the old saying goes, better safe than sorry. So always make sure to inspect these safety features when checking into a hotel room. Your safety should always be a priority. Amenities can add that extra touch of comfort to your stay. What's a hotel stay without the little luxuries that make it special? Amenities are those added extras that can transform your stay from just good to great. But how do you know if they're up to scratch? Let's dive in. First off, let's talk about the television. It's not just about checking if it turns on, but also if the remote works and whether all the channels promised are available. A quiet evening with your favorite show can be the perfect end to a bustling day of exploring. Now let's not forget about the lifeline of the modern world, Wi-Fi. While it's easy to overlook, a strong and stable internet connection is crucial, whether you're catching up on work emails or streaming your favorite series. To check the Wi-Fi, connect your device and see if you can browse or stream without interruptions. The air conditioning and heating systems are next on our list. Ensuring they function properly is key to a comfortable stay, regardless of the weather outside. Turn them on, adjust the settings, and gauge if they respond correctly. The mini fridge is another amenity that's worth inspecting. Check if it's clean, odor-free, and most importantly, if it cools properly. After all, there's nothing quite like a chilled beverage after a long day. These amenities, while they may seem minor, play a significant role in enhancing your overall experience. They represent the hotel's attention to detail and their commitment to providing a comfortable and enjoyable stay for their guests. However, remember, if you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to report them to the hotel management. Most hotels are quick to resolve these problems as they understand how important these amenities are to their guests' satisfaction. In conclusion, when inspecting hotel amenities, do not rush. Take your time to ensure everything works as it should. The devil is in the details, as they say. Working amenities can greatly enhance your hotel stay. And with these tips, you'll be well equipped to ensure your next hotel stay is nothing short of exceptional. So you've done a thorough inspection of your hotel room. Isn't it a relief to know you've taken every stride to ensure your hotel room is not only comfortable, but also safe? Through this process, you've become an informed and responsible traveler, understanding the importance of inspecting your temporary home away from home. Let's quickly revisit the main points from our journey. We began with an initial overview, a general sweep of the room to pick up on anything immediately off-putting. We looked at cleanliness, odor, and any obvious damage or issues. This set the stage for a more detailed inspection. Next, we ventured into the bathroom where hygiene is paramount. We inspected the toilet, sink, tub, and shower, checking for cleanliness, water pressure, and hot water availability. We also verified that towels and toiletries were fresh and well stocked. Then we moved on to the bedroom. We examined the bed linens for cleanliness and comfort, checked the mattress for firmness, and ensured there were no unwanted guests. Think bed bugs. We took a moment to ensure the room temperature was controllable and comfortable. Our journey continued with a thorough check of safety features. We made sure the room had a functioning smoke detector, verified the door and window locks were in good working order, and checked for a safe for our valuables. We then inspected the amenities, from the mini fridge to the coffee maker, checking that they were clean and functional. We also took note of the room's lighting, ensuring it was sufficient for our needs. Each step of this process is crucial. It's not just about comfort, but also about your health and safety. By taking the time to inspect your hotel room, you're investing in a more enjoyable, stress-free travel experience. It's a small act that can have a big impact on your journey. Remember, a well-inspected hotel room can make your travel experience more comfortable, safe, and enjoyable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and guides. Until next time, safe travels.